Hi, I'm Finish Fit Coach Dean. In today's episode of the Daily Dose of Finish Fit, I'm going to talk about the peak contraction principle. In the peak contraction principle, you perform reps at a regular pace but pause at contractions, holding for 1 or 2 seconds. During those holds, you flex the targeted muscles as hard as possible. This increases your time under tension precisely when your muscles are experiencing their most tension, making sets harder and more effective. Leg extensions and leg adductions are great exercises for peak contraction reps. But what about squats or leg presses or lunges? Nope. None of them have points where the reps can be paused and the muscles maximally flexed. Peak contraction works best with lifts for back, traps, hamstrings, biceps, triceps, calves, and abs. Are you ready to finish it with Finish Fit?